showing you how to make a cute owl card. Welcome to Sparklebox. If you want to try such amazing DIYs, then do visit our channel Sparklebox. I'm sure you'll be loving the content. Please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get instant notifications on our new videos. Now, let's get started with our today's DIY. That's going live from 7th to 12th November. Check out the video's description and you will find the quiz link. Quickly participate and get eligible for monthly giveaways and also grab some exciting coupon codes exclusive for yourself. I'll be back with another exciting announcement. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox. by tagging us. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family. I'll be back with another interesting DIY. Until then, let's stay connected with Sparklebox.